The governor of Lagos State has promised an unending support for the judiciary. He made this promise at the 2017-2018 legal service held at the Cathedral Church of Christ in Lagos.
It is not the usual time or place to see judges all dressed in their full regalia, but it is a special day set aside by members of the judiciary in Lagos State to mark the beginning of a new legal year, which also coincides with the Golden Jubilee of the judiciary in Lagos.
The provost is just going to have
The team is made up of judges, lawyers and senior advocates of Nigeria. They did not, however, make it an exclusively judicial event. The governor of Lagos State, Mr. Ambode, is also in attendance.
The celebration of this Golden Jubilee is an opportunity to reflect on the history and achievements in the justice sector. It is also a time to remember all the great judges who sat on the bench and all those great lawyers who appeared in court and helped in the dispensation of justice. We must work continuously to enhance confidence in the legal system, promote the rule of law, and guarantee protection of lives and properties.
As the new legal year commences in Lagos, judges and lawyers are exhorted to uphold righteousness.
The Lord is leading me from this pulpit to charge you to walk fearlessly, to walk uncompromisingly, and to walk faithfully.
And then this warning from the acting chief judge to lawyers about unnecessary adjournments.
Unnecessary adjournments will cost you your practicing license. Lagos State is a role model, not only to Nigerian jurisdiction, Africa, and also in the international world. So help us to build the judiciary of our dream.
We have seen the Lord's goodness, His mercy.
As the services come to an end, members of the bar and bench have been reminded to maintain moral values in the discharge of their duties.
The Lord's goodness, hallelujah, praise.